Guys, it's Marco here from Marco's Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Farmborough Heights for Farmborough Heights Vlog 106 and Part 7. Now, I'm not allowed to go into the rail corridor, but here's some of the wreckage of 3966 derailment. So these are some of the hoppers, and you can see the bogies there, and also the other parts are here. And there's also 3922 grain train. I'm not sure when that's going to come through, but it will come through soon. So I'll see you when that comes. And we have 3922 about to pass. The leading loco is 8252. The second loco is 8256. And then 8256. Here comes the train in. And there goes the train end. That's going to Inner Harbour. Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.